The goal of this section is to familiarize you with how we will be solving problems throughout the rest of this course. Before we can begin talking about how to solve problems, we need to cover a little terminology. A formula is a relationship or equation written in mathematical language. Quantities that we multiply are called factors, and quantities that we add are called terms. In order to solve or evaluate a formula, we need to follow these steps. First, we need to write the formula with the given numbers inserted in the correct places. Then, we will perform the calculations with a calculator. Make sure you follow the order of operations. Recall that we can use the mnemonic device PEMDAS. The P stands for parentheses, which includes everything in the numerator or denominator of a fraction. E stands for exponents. M and D stand for multiplication and division from left to right. A and S stands for addition and subtraction from left to right. Lastly, we will write our answers with 3 significant digits and correct units. Significant digits are each of the digits of a number that are used to express it to the required degree of accuracy, starting from the first non-zero digit. Let's look at a few examples of how to round to 3 significant digits. If we want to round the number 3.14159 to 3 significant digits, we would count the first 3 non-zero numbers. In this case, we will be rounding to the 100th digit. Our answer is 3.14 since the number to the right of the 4 is less than 5. 215.98 would be rounded to the nearest whole number, which in this case would be 216. If we wanted to round 3,685,493 to 3 significant digits, we would round it to the nearest 10,000. In this case, since the number to the right of the 8 is equal to or greater than 5, we round 8 up to 9. Then we fill in the rest of the digits with zeros. Our answer would be 3,690,000. Last, to round 0.003552 to 3 significant digits, we would round to the nearest 100,000th position, since that is where our third non-zero digit is. This would give us 0.00355. Let's take a look at an example of how we can use a formula when we don't have to rearrange anything. We want to find the Celsius equivalent to 80 degrees Fahrenheit using the formula C equals 5/9 multiplied by the quantity F minus 32. All we have to do here is substitute 80 degrees Fahrenheit for F. Then, using the order of operations, we have to subtract the 32 from the 80 first. This gives us 48. Then we can multiply 48 by 5/9 to obtain a final answer rounded to 3 significant digits of 26.7 degrees Celsius. In this course, you will only be asked to solve for an unknown quantity within a formula if the formula has all factors. In this class, we will use circle calculators or equation wheels to solve problems. We will be looking at a circle calculator in the next example. In this example, we need to find the height of a box that has a volume of 300 cubic feet, where the length is 5 feet and the width is 6 feet. Remember, the volume formula for a rectangular prism is length times width times height. Our circle calculator looks like this. To use a circle calculator, cover up the variable that you are trying to solve for. Whatever you have left is the equation you use where the horizontal line separates the numerator and the denominator of a fraction. We want to make sure we write the formula down that we are using first before substituting in any values. In this case, when we cover up the h, we are left with v over L and W. So our formula would be h equals v divided by L times W. Next, substitute in all of the values we know. We know that the volume is 300 cubic feet, the length is 5 feet, and the width is 6 feet. Now, using the order of operations, we need to multiply 5 feet by 6 feet first, which gives us 30 square feet. Last, we can divide 300 cubic feet by 30 square feet to see that the height is equal to 10 feet. This concludes our discussion on using formulas.